Hi everybody, Delaware Ruiz from Keller Williams Realty here. This video discusses the income and expense sheet, also known as the APOD or Annual Property Operating Data Sheet. At the top of the sheet here we have the address, the city, Thomas Guide, number of units, dollars per square foot, price per unit, and of course the list price. Come down to this section right here, and that is the financial analysis section, which is annualized. First thing we have is a gross scheduled income, GSI of 92,808. We put a factor of 3% for vacancy in there, so that's 2784 a year. That gives us the gross operating income. So this number minus this number gives us the gross operating income. Then we use 35% for expenses. We're going to minus that out. And the reason I use 35% is because that's an average that most appraisers and banks and realtors use for estimating expenses on a building of this era, mid-century. The seller does not have good books and records, so he does not have accurate expenses for me, so I have to guesstimate it. That leaves us with the net operating income, or the NOI, of 57,541. Now we're going to have the new buyer is going to have loan payments of 46,765 a year, and I'm basing that on the potential new first of $650,000 at an interest rate of 6%, which gives us a 38.97 monthly payment. Annualized, that's 46,765. So we start with this number, we minus out all these numbers, and we're left with gross spendable income of $10,776. That's what's left after your expenses and mortgage payment and property taxes are all paid. That gives us a cap rate of 4.27%. The gross rent multiplier is 14.54%. So now a buyer knows what his cap rate is going to be, what his gross rent multiplier is going to be, what his price per unit is going to be, and can make some intelligent decisions if this is the right building for him or not. This column over here is projected. If this property was fully rented at market value, these are the numbers that would project. You'd have a cap rate of 7.73 and a gross rent multiplier of 9.57. But this is kind of a pie in the sky number, because with rent control, it's very difficult to get your units at market value unless everybody decides to leave voluntarily, and that's not going to happen. Down here we have the rent roll, the unit mix right here. These are the individual rents they're paying, and over on the right side here is loan information. This property is free and clear. The family's owned it for quite a while, and then we have the potential new first trustee, like I said, of $650,000 at 6%. And let's go to part 2 of this video, which we'll see now.